Hello, I'm David Hanna from the University of Birmingham in the UK. I'm going to provide an overview of our poster on urban hydrology challenges and solutions, insights from the Birmingham Urban River Observatory. Urbanisation and climate change increase impervious surfaces and extreme events that in turn cause water scarcity, flooding, pollution and threaten river health in cities and watersheds downstream. Stormwater management and blue-green infrastructure yield further human impact on urban hydrology and offer potential mitigations and adaptation strategies to improve ecosystem and societal resilience in a changing world. Hydrological research on the space-time dynamics of urban water quality and quantity is essential to quantify multi-scale patterns, to understand controls and processes, and to provide the evidence base for targeted, scalable, sustainable, and effective management interventions. In this context, the NERC-NSF Smart Water project aims to diagnose watershed-wide pollution hotspots, locations, and hot moments times. This interdisciplinary initiative integrates environmental sensing, data science, and numerical modelling to unravel dynamic drivers of multi-contaminant pollution. Here we focus specifically on the results from the Birmingham Urban River Observatory, designated a UNESCO Intergovernmental Hydrology Programme ecohydrology demonstration site as part of a global network of case studies that apply ecohydrology principles for sustainable watershed management. The Birmingham Urban River Observatory deploys high-frequency in-situ water quality monitoring technologies to span low to middle-order streams along a highly urbanised gradient to a peri-urban environment. For this overview, our objectives are to reflect on, firstly, identifying and characterising pollution dynamics using scalable field diagnostic technologies. Secondly, deploying smart water quality monitoring networks. Thirdly, applying data science innovations, for example, artificial intelligence for pollution tracking. And fourthly, using high-frequency distributed observations to improve pollution models and predictions. And fifthly, collaborating with stakeholders, for example, citizen science as part of the Birmingham River Champions, to implement practical steps for water quality management and enhancing planetary health. It is intended that sharing our experience helps transform how we diagnose, understand, and predict and manage urban water challenges. I want to take this opportunity to highlight our report for COP30, the UN Climate Summit, which begins on the 10th of November. Our report is entitled Bridging Research and Policy for Climate Action. This Birmingham Institute for Sustainability and Climate Action-led initiative addresses 5 critical areas: adaptation and resilience, sustainability education, equitable energy transition, climate justice and health, and climate finance. Each brief offers targeted national and international policy recommendations grounded in scientific expertise and global collaboration. Please read it by scanning on the QR code. Thank you for your attention.